Good morning all. Trust you're all doing fine. Dear students, your maths teacher complained of your poor performances, especially you, Sarah. What exactly is the problem?
Sir, I'm fed up with maths. I really don't like the subject and even, I will keep the rest to myself.
What? Please tell me more.
It's complicated, sir. It's not only in mathematics, even other subjects. At home too, unending issues, sir.
Alright, I can get you now. Do you know Caroland Psychotherapy and Consultancy Services in the next street to our school here?
What about it, sir? Please, can the person help me out in mathematics failure and the family challenges faced at home?
Oh, you just need to hear from her and know that beyond passing subjects, what the center can offer.
Sarah listens to the school principal about Caroland Psychotherapy Center.
Mrs. C.B. Obashu, a counseling psychologist, and Chief Executive Officer of Caroland Psychological Therapy and Consultancy Services Limited. It is located at Grace Court Complex beside Chicken Republic, Oluwatuyi Quarters, IJOKA Road, Akure, Ondo State, Nigeria. At this center, why you need to choose us? We listen, we care, because everybody has a story. And at this center, we are ready to listen to you, we are ready to take care, and we are always available, just in time. You can meet us virtually or physically. And looking at it, our services could be individual counseling, couple counseling, parenting counseling, corporate counseling, mental health counseling, or whichever. As we know, at this period, a lot of people are passing through stress. And this stress needs to be addressed. And you know, where there is no counseling, a lot of purposes are defeated. And that's why you need to find your way to this counseling center, which is ready to listen and care for you. Thank you very much.
Thanks so much, sir. I will go there today after school hour.
Your state of mind means a lot to me and your teachers. I'm happy to have been able to offer assistance and guide that will definitely help you with your questions and provide helpful responses. It's my purpose to help and support other students like you. And I'm glad I could do so in a way that will be helpful to you. If any of you have questions or need further assistance in your studies, don't hesitate to reach out. We are always here to help. Caroland Psychotherapy Center is close to us here too. Do have a great day.
Lẹ́nu oníkàn báyìí la ti ń gbọ́kàn ọ̀hún, ìyá ló ti bá ní sọ̀rọ̀, ìyáàfin ọ̀mọ̀wé tó ju ọ̀mọ̀wé lọ, ìyáàfin Ọbáṣọ̀rọ̀ Caroline, olùdarí àti aláṣẹ Caroland Psychotherapy and Consultancy Services l'Ákúrẹ́ Òyè Mẹ́kùn ni wọ́n ti bá ní sọ̀rọ̀. Gbogbo ọmọ pátá porogodo tó bá ní ìṣòro kan tàbí òmíràn nínú ẹ̀kọ́, Yorùbá Mathematics class ló fi léde lórí fọ́nrán tòní wípé ẹ lè kàn sí wọn. Ìṣòro nínú ẹ̀kọ́, ìṣòro nínú ilé, ìṣòro níbi iṣẹ́ tàbí òmíràn, ilé ayé, a lè ṣaláì má ní ìdojúkọ kan tàbí òmíràn. Àmọ́ ṣá, ká fi lé Ọlọ́run lọ́wọ́, ká tún fi lé àwọn tó mojú na gbogbo nǹkan wọ̀nyí. Aráyé gbé ṣe lé ayé re o. Ayé ò ní burú, kò ní ṣòro fún wa láti gbé. Ire o. Kò sẹ́ni mèdè àyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ ní mọ́pa lọ́wọ́, ẹni mọ́pa lọ́wọ́ ló mọ ohun tọ́pa ń sọ. Ìyáàfin ọ̀mọ̀wé Caroline Ọbáṣọ̀rọ̀, ẹ lè kàn sí wọn pẹ̀lú nọ́mbà wọn láti gbàmọ̀ràn, láti gba ìtọ́sọ́nà nínú ohunkóhun tí ẹ bá ń là kọjá. Yálà nínú ẹ̀kọ́ ni tàbí ọ̀nà mìíràn, á dára fún gbogbo wa o. Ire o.